was making tofu and egg. It was so simple to make, but people without effort to here. Also, my friend. Here, yes, well and yes. Let's go to the computer.
Road.
Powder, tofu, and it was optional, but you can add something on it.
So the tools were frying pan, spatula, spoon, and plates. So the first thing we need to do was tofu into small pieces.
Can you speak louder? Okay, cut the tofu into small pieces.
And then put it into hot oil.
Hot oil, okay. Then,
You can stir it and add some salt and slice it.
okay.
After the tofu was turning hot, you can put in the egg and what is
Okay. One.
And your tofu front egg was ready to serve.
Ready to serve. Can you show us?
And it is what the result.
Okay. That's all?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Aya. Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.